my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. During this set of guided vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises, I would like to talk a little bit about how and why to warm up our voices. Put simply, doing vocal exercises allows us to spend concentrated time on vocal technique in small, concise ways. They allow us to warm up our voice if we haven't used it very much, and this also helps keep our voice safe and healthy. Working on these exercises also allows us to spend time on vocal coordination, proper breathing, alignment, and other techniques. Now take a couple of low, slow breaths and come into a aligned position. We want to feel balanced. Release any tension that does not serve you. You might want to engage in some slow and easy movement to make sure that you're not holding tension anywhere. Now, if we were together in a one-on-one lesson, I would design a warm-up based on how your voice is doing today, combined with what I know about your voice from previous sessions. Since this video needs to be more general than that, I will use general order and techniques that I use with singers. Feel free to shift octaves as needed. I like to start with limited range work and semi-occluded exercises. So let's start today with a V sound, and we'll sing this pattern. And go. Lip trills are also fantastic for getting a balanced voice going. We have lots of options for this, but today, let's try and go. Let's sigh down to relax. I like to intersperse vocal warm-ups that specifically concentrate on relaxation. Let's sing on va, 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 like va, va, va. We'll bring this pretty low in our range. Feel free to keep going if you need to go lower. voice is starting to feel a little bit more warmed up or engaged, I like to bring in some exercises for efficiency to make sure we're maximizing vocal cord vibration. These often employ brighter sounds like E or nay or hmm. So let's sing on E-A like E-A. Here we go. I find that exercise also can help ease the transition from chest voice into head voice and back. Next, we'll take that bright, engaged sound into a more open sound as we sing nya nya, like nya 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 nya. That nya at the beginning helps get the tongue out of the way. Sometimes it's easy for the tongue to hold tension and pull back on aw sounds, so we're combining this brightness with more openness. Again, it's nya 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 nya. Here we go. Nya 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 nya. 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 Before we head into the next exercise, I want to let you know that I have published a mobile app of vocal warm-ups called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. They are commercial free, they have offline options, there's a ton of great playlists, and I update it regularly and add more warm-ups. I hope you'll check that out, the links are below. This is an excellent time in the vocal warm-up to work on technique. This might be head voice, chest voice transition, flexibility, diction, or anything else we might want to focus on. You might check out one of my videos on one of those specific topics. I'll put one up here and a few more down in the comments. Let's just pick a topic and work on some intervals and flexibility today as we sing Money, Money, Mo. We can sing the following pattern. Money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Now let's come back to a more relaxing exercise that focuses on keeping the throat open. I like to imagine roundness in my vocal tract as I sing this one. We'll sing on the syllables ho-yo. Allow this to feel a little bit like sighing. It sounds like this. Ho-yo, and go. Ho-yo. 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 Ho-yo oh, Sirens and glides are a great way to allow the voice to feel connected through different ranges, as well as open up higher and lower sounds. You can do this with me or go at your own pace. Finally, I like to do some range work. There are a bunch of great ways to do this. I personally prefer arpeggios. We're going to sing today on Oh How I Love to Sing, like Oh How I Love to Sing. I'll start fairly low and we'll see how high we can get. Please keep going higher than me if you can and want to. Oh how I love to sing. 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 By the way, if you've hung in with all of the notes in this warm-up, we've covered 3 octaves today. Thanks so much for warming up with me today. I do hope you'll check out my mobile app as well as subscribe to my channel here. I'll see you next time. All right, buddy, you can hang out here, but only if you don't sing along. And maybe keep your tail out of the shot.